Hi everyone, I am Proved, the founder of Proved English Academy. Today I am to share some beautiful content about pronunciation. But before that, I am to invite my two students, Rohit and Savin. Before we start this video, I am to inform you that Rohit practices daily and loves it. But Savin, although good, doesn't practice daily. So now we can see which one is better than other. Let's go. So, hi Rohit and Savin.
Hello, Sharon.
Hello sir, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine.
Yes sir, I am good.
So, can I start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. I will give you some daily use words. Just tell me the correct pronunciation. First of all, Rohit, you can say. Next, Savir. See this.
Apple. Apple.
Apple. Apple.
No, Savir. This is apple. Apple, not apple. Next, see this.
Banana. Banana.
Banana. Banana.
No. Correct pronunciation that is banana. Banana. Like that. Next, see this.
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
No. Correct pronunciation that is elephant. Elephant. Like that. Next. See.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
No. That is giraffe. Giraffe. Like that. Next. See.
Ice. Ice.
Ice. Ice.
No. That is ice. Like that. Next. See.
Kite. Kite.
Kite. Kite.
No. Proper pronunciation that is kite. Kite. Next. See.
Monkey. Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey.
No. That is monkey. Monkey. Like that. Next.
Orange. Orange.
Orange. Orange.
No. That is orange. Like that. Next.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
No. Correct pronunciation that is rabbit. Like that. Next.
Violin. Violin.
Violin. Violin.
No. Correct pronunciation that is violin. Violin. Like that. Next.
Water. Water.
Water. Water.
No. Correct. Water. Next. See.
Zebra. Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra.
No. We can say zebra. Zebra. So my dear friend, I hope you understood both the comparison. So if you learn in that way, then definitely you can improve your pronunciation. So if you enjoy our videos, then please my dear friend like and subscribe please and share to your friends. Let's move. So now I am to share some rules. So please see carefully. Rohit and Savil, please see this. First rule, that is the C and G soft sounds. When C or Z is followed by E, I or Y, it usually has a soft sound. Example, city. City. City? No. City. City. Like that. Giraffe. Giraffe. Gym. Gym. Like that. Means you can remember C and G whenever followed E, I, Y, then we can try to practice soft pronunciation, that is city, giraffe, gym, like that. Now second rule, that is the R influences vowel sounds. Means when R follows a vowel, it changes the sound of the vowel. Like car, A sounds different. Word, I sound also different. Means A, I, O are vowel, but we can share different pronunciation because they are following R. You can remember, अगर R follow कर रहे हैं vowel को, then definitely their sound should be changed. Third rule, the Y as a vowel. Means when Y appears at the end of word, it usually sounds like a long I or long E. Example, cry. Y like long I, cry. Happy, Y sound like E, long E. Baby, Y sound like E. That means Y appears at the end, then we can use long sound, cry, happy, baby, like that. So I hope you understood all the points, my dear friend. So if you have any queries about this, then please you can message, you can comment, then I can share as soon as possible. So my dear friend, if you enjoy our videos, then please like and subscribe my channel and share to our friends, because your support is most important for us. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Jai Hind.